Hey YouTube, wanted to get on here and do a DIY. I purchased these pumpkins at the Dollar Tree, and I was going to cover this one with the buffalo check print material that I purchased at Walmart. So I am gonna do that. I actually peeled off the orange paint that was on there, and I just marked the sections, and then I numbered them where I'm gonna put the actual material at. So first, what you're gonna be needing is a pumpkin, glue sticks, some strips of material, and your glue gun. First, what I'm going to do is see which strips are actually going to fit the length, the width of these pieces here. Now I'm just gonna get a piece of like paper. I bought this. It's like a brown wrapping paper. And I'm just gonna roll it. Really tight. And I'm gonna cut the end right here. And I'm gonna glue this piece actually on top, like so. I'm just gonna put glue all around this stem right here. Put that on top and then hold it, squeeze it down. And you can either leave it like this, which probably not, or you can twist it and then kind of hold it down just so it'll have that stem effect, like so. Look how cute that is just spray paint it with this pink that I have. This color is actually Satin Ballet Slipper. I purchased this from Lowe's, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna go and show y'all what I'm gonna do. So I went out and decided to paint the pumpkin with that really soft pink color. It literally ate away at my pumpkin, but I kind of like it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is get some of this twine, and I'm just going to put a strip of glue right down the middle right here, like so. Like this. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my stem on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a ton of glue all around the top there. Open this up and then place that on top. And then just hold it down for a few seconds. This extra piece of material I had from the other pumpkin, and I'm just going to tie a little bow on it